All right, now that you have your calendar, it's time to plan out your next month. I recommend following step by step on your own printed calendar. I usually have my coaching clients complete their calendar for the next month between the 20th and the 25th of the previous month. So, for example, I'll have them finish planning out their posts for April by the 25th of March. For the purposes of this calendar, I'm going to pretend that my business is a coffee shop so that I can show you how to plan for a more relatable business. This calendar will work for any business type. I just thought that it would be easiest to demonstrate using a business everyone is familiar with. The first thing you'll want to do is turn the blank template into a functioning calendar. I've written the month at the top, and I've written in the days of the month. I've chosen to show you a calendar for April 2018, which conveniently starts on a Sunday, but you'll probably have a couple of blank days at the beginning if you're using it for another month. The next thing I do is find all the holidays for that month. I write down not just the national holidays, but any silly social media holidays that might be relevant to my customers. If you're wondering where I found all these social media holidays, I have a blog post up on Vireo Media with holidays for the entire year. I've added a link below so you can find upcoming holidays relevant to your business. As you can see, I've added April Fool's Day, Sibling Day, Pet Day, Tax Day, and Earth Day. I may not use all these holidays, but I like to write them down so they can inspire me as I'm planning out my month. Next, I write down the campaigns I want to do for that month. In this case, I've written Barista of the Week, Tax Break, get a free small drip coffee with any pastry purchase, and Save the Planet, get a free size upgrade when you use a reusable cup. I usually stick to 3 or less campaigns in any given month. Any more, and you'll either overwhelm your customers or your campaigns won't get enough time in the light. If you have an event coming up, you'll want to let people know about it. I recommend treating an event as its own campaign. You can also do monthly themes. For example, for Halloween, you could do the different masks that people wear when they're out in public, or something that's sort of related to something everybody is thinking about. One campaign that's really effective and easy to do is X of the Week campaigns. Pick a topic or a theme, and you'll post something about that each week. Let me give you some examples of ones I've used in the past. For a real estate company, I did Home of the Week. For a construction company, I did Employee of the Week. For a coffee shop, I did Customer Creation of the Week, where we posted a custom coffee recipe by one of our customers each week that they could only order that week. For a children's dentist, we did Animal Teeth Facts of the Week. There are a lot of great options out there. X of the Week campaigns are great because they ensure a current, attractive, up-to-date presence that shows your business's expertise. Before moving on to the next step, I want you to think of some X of the Week campaigns you can do on social media. I always keep a list of X of the Week campaigns in my notebook. If I ever run out of ideas for one of my campaigns, I can move on to the next. I recommend doing each X of the Week campaign for at least 8 weeks before moving on to the next one. If you switch up your X of the Week campaigns too frequently, your customers will get confused. Before you move on to the next video, take a few minutes to brainstorm some X of the Week campaign ideas.